Most mechanics only realize they're missing their most important tool once a snapped bolt turns a 20-minute job into a 4-hour nightmare. If you think a basic socket set is enough for a modern engine bay, you're already behind, especially when it comes to the final tool on this list that solves the problems no one else can see. High-CRI magnetic work lights are essential because they reveal hairline cracks in serpentine belts that standard LEDs wash out. Induction heaters have replaced dangerous torches, using magnetic fields to turn seized nuts red hot in seconds without an open flame. If you want to master the modern shop, subscribe now for more professional-grade breakdowns. A mid-torque impact wrench with at least 500 foot-pounds of breakaway force is the sweet spot for modern chassis containing sensitive aluminum alloys. You cannot ignore bidirectional scan tools, which allow you to command a vehicle to test its own fuel pumps and fans instantly. However, the one tool that separates elite techs from hobbyists is a high-impedance digital multimeter. In 2026, you cannot diagnose no-start electrical ghosts or parasitic draws without measuring precise voltage drops across a fuse. Guessing is the fastest way to lose money, but with these essentials, you're prepared for any diagnostic challenge.